Hi everyone, I'm Shada and welcome to this video. In today's video, we're not going to run code. Instead, we'll explore the PyCATIA API map. This gives you a complete overview of the available modules and interfaces, so you'll know what's possible before diving deeper. PyCATIA is a Python wrapper around the CATIA Automation API. That means every function or interface you can access in CATIA via VB or CAA, you can now also use in Python. The structure is organized into modules. Each module corresponds to a different CATIA workbench or functionality. Part design, product structure, drafting, kinematics, manufacturing, and many more. The entry point for almost all script is simple. From PyCATIA, import CATIA. This returns the application object. From there, you can navigate to documents, part, product, drawing, selection, windows and viewers, and system services. Some of the most important interfaces you'll use regularly are Mech mod interfaces, part design features like path, holes, bodies, part interfaces specific to part objects, product structure interfaces for working with assemblies and subproducts, drafting interfaces, 2D drawings, views, annotations, in interfaces, selection API. Very powerful for filtering and modifying elements. Knowledge interfaces, parameters, formulas, and design tables. There are also specialized modules for advanced users. Kinematics interfaces, motion simulation, analysis interfaces, film analysis, composites interfaces, composite materials, surface machining interfaces, and prismatic machining interfaces, NC programming, electrical schematic interfaces for electrical routing. The PyCATIA documentation includes an API tree. Think of it as a map of objects. At the top, you have the application. Below it, documents, windows, and system services. Each document could be a part, product, or drawing. Each of those has children, like part, bodies, features, or product, subproducts, components. This hierarchy is crucial for navigating the API effectively. A quick note on the selection API because it's central to automation. Selection.search allows bulk searching. Selection.itemI gives you individual elements. Selection.visProperties lets you modify colors, visibility, and graphical style. It's one of the easiest ways to start automating CATIA tasks. A few important caveats. PyCATIA only works on Windows because it depends on COM automation. You must have CATIA installed and licensed. Not every CATIA workbench is equally well supported. Some APIs are more complete than others. And that's a high-level overview of the PyCATIA API map. Now you should have a clear picture of what modules and interfaces exist and where to look when you want to automate a specific task. I'll upload the notes and a reference cheat sheet on GitHub so you can keep this as a handy guide. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and share. And let me know in the comments which module or interface would you like me to cover with hands-on code in the next video.